Last night I Googled the population of Maine. It's only 1.4 million people. And when I look at how many people are marching in the streets from Portland to Scarborough to Biddeford, I'm impressed. A lot of you motherfuckers are pissed off. I want to say a couple of quick things. I hope that you continue this. I've had the opportunity to travel to a lot of cities where ICE are kidnapping and killing people. And one thing I've learned from every city is that there's a whole hell of a lot more of us than there are of them. And sometimes it feels like maybe we're fighting this fight alone, but we're not. We are a collective people. I grew up in the mountains of North Carolina, in the foothills of Appalachia where they grow MAGA. And I learned a lot about my country growing up, how we were the greatest country on earth and how we are freedom and we are the pinnacle. When I was 18, I joined the army to go fight for freedom, and then I woke the fuck up one day. Yep. Because when I got overseas, I found out that I was welcomed in people's homes with open arms, some of the nicest people I've ever met. And even here in America, when I go into immigrant communities, you will never enter an immigrant community where you are not welcome, where they don't feed you, where they won't love you, where they will not fucking bring you into their homes. And then my country sent me to Iraq and told me the terrorists are over there. And then I woke the fuck up and found out I was the terrorist. Yep. And so, after being raised a cishet white Christian male and sent off to war to become a veteran, I'm now an atheist, LGBTQIA+ friendly, anti-war, pro-immigrant, fuck Donald Trump. Change is possible. Until Americans that look like me, until Americans that stand on the other side of the street with their same tired fucking rhetoric wake up and realize that when they're done with the black community and the brown community and the immigrant community and the LGBTQI+ community, they're coming for you too. So if you don't have the basic empathy to care about them, at least be selfish enough to care about yourself. So what I say is this. What happened here is absolute tragedy. It goes without saying. Yohan was murdered in the street by masked thugs. State-sponsored terrorism is what ICE is. And I agree with what your message is. Abolish ICE. All I say is we can't stop there. The status quo is how we got here. MAGA is just the Confederate States of America rebranded. And it's high fucking time that white supremacy is put in the fucking concentration camps. And it's high fucking time that we as Americans stop turning a blind eye, especially white Americans, stop turning a blind eye to what we know is happening in these white churches, the same churches I grew up in, what we know is happening in these white communities, what we know is happening behind the closed door. Stop being silent. Your silence is violence. Your silence is complicity. Speak up. Stop it now. Fuck ICE. Fuck Donald Trump. I want freedom.